Watching this, you must show some interest in the heated ceiling fan I have posted on Craigslist. Just going to show you all that it is a functioning fan. So I have the fan here hooked up. We have our wireless remote, and to turn the fan on, you just simply hit the power button. And what you're looking at is, on the bottom of the display is the actual room temperature. At the top of this display is the desired room temperature. So if you want this to operate as just a simple fan to cool the room, on your remote, hit the fan button. And as you can see on the display, it says fan. To slow the fan down, we just arrow down under the fan button. You can see it goes from high to medium to low. Hit the arrow up button. Speeds up the blades. To turn the unit off, again, from the remote, just simply hit the power button. And you have the working light on your remote, the yellow button at the bottom. Light on, light off. And the light does work whether the fan blades itself are running or not, so you can just use it as a room light. If you wish to heat your room, on the remote you hit the heat button, and on the display it says heat. The bottom display tells us the actual temperature outside or in the room. The top of the display tells us the desired heat you want the room to be in. If we arrow down, it toggles the heat temperature from low to medium to high. What will happen is the motor and the heater within the unit will continue to run until it reaches the desired temperature that you choose at the top of the remote. And you could probably hear the motor running itself. Again, light on, light off. And that's it.